SodaStream Source Sparkling Maker Starter Kit. The best SodaStream model on the market that comes at an affordable price is the SodaStream Source Sparkling Water Maker Starter Kit. This is another kit that comes with a relatively large number of accessories to make your journey towards creating your own bubbly water at home effortless and fun. The default option comes with an included carbonator, but you can select an option that does not come with a carbonator at a slightly lower price. The SodaStream Source Sparkling Water Maker Starter Kit comes in black, white, and silver, which ensures you can choose a color which will match whatever color your decor is in your kitchen. If you elect to go with the kit, then apart from the machine itself, you also get a single reusable carbonating bottle, which features BPA-free material for your health and that of the environment. The Source itself comes with convenient features such as an LED indicator that shows you how fizzy your drink is, and the brand's unique snap lock technology that makes adding the bottle and carbonating your drink a much easier task.